Use the included pry stick to remove the outer cover of the clasp. Please be patient and do not force it out. We want to need the outer cover for the rest of the installation process. Use the included screwdriver to unscrew the screws. We want to need the inner cover for the rest of the installation process, and the both sides need to be removed. Use scissors to cut the old outer skin. You will see the exposed green sponge. Peel off the top film. Peel off the sponge underneath. Ensure that the steel strip is clean, as it may affect the subsequent installation process. Place the bottom cover of the new headband on and keep the wire in the middle gap. Install the top cover of the new headband. Make sure the top and bottom covers of the new headband are securely fastened. Fold in any excess leather at the end of the top cover. Reinstall the original factory nameplate 1000XM3. Attach the included accessories and tighten the screws. Make sure the included screws are secure, and repeat installation process for other side. You can use your butter knife or our plastic stick to gently shuffle it from the side of the ear pad. Raise the tool to the opposite side until you hear a clicking sound. Simply hold the ear pad and pull it to the opposite side to remove the whole ear pad. Please get a better understanding of how to apply the earpad. The same to the WH-1000XM3. Simply push the hook into the slot until you hear the clicking sound. Follow around the earpad until you get all hooks done.